Hello everyone, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today we'll be making no knead bread. We'll be using 4 cups of flour, salt, and yeast. We'll be adding 1.5 cups of hot water. Mix it well, and the dough is going to be springy, so that's fine. We'll go ahead and add it. We'll go ahead and cover it, and we'll have it sit for 3 hours. And it's sticky, so don't worry about it. It's going to rise. And then we'll go ahead and put it in the oven. And I'll be using a Dutch oven pot. So let me go ahead and get this covered. Okay, we'll have it rest for 3 hours, and we'll be back. Welcome back. It's been 3 hours. So let's take a look at our dough. And it rose quite a bit. See how it's jiggling up on top? Looks good. I'm going to put some flour on the surface. I'm going to go ahead and just flour the dough. I'm not going to knead it. I'm going to sprinkle flour on here. Just flip it. There it goes. I'm going to go ahead and set this in a bowl with parchment paper. We'll have it sit for about 30 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and preheat my Dutch oven pot, and I'm going to cover it with a towel for about 30 minutes since that's how long it takes my oven to heat up to 450. We'll go ahead and have it rest and we'll be back. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. The dough has rested. I've preheated my oven Dutch, so it's hot. I'm going to transfer the dough into the pot with the parchment paper. We're going to have this cook for 30 minutes. Open my oven. And this is how it came out. Looks wonderful. So let me see if I can remove it. It's going to be hot. Let me slide it out. Go ahead and have it cool down for a bit before we slice it. The bread has rested for 15 minutes. You hear that crispy crust, nice and fluffy, golden brown on the bottom. So let's go ahead and cut a few slices off of the bread. Results. I hope you tried this recipe. If you do, please comment below on how it turned out. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting every week. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.